Do you feel like you don't speak enough Bulgarian? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and Fluency Fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account. Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
С какво се занимаваш? Аз съм художник.
Listen to it again, now with the English translation.
С какво се занимаваш?
What do you do?
Аз съм художник.
I'm an artist. First of all, you need to learn how to say, what do you do? That's.
С какво се занимаваш?
Listen to it again.
С какво се занимаваш? С какво се занимаваш?
This Bulgarian sentence literally translates into, what are you engaged with? But it means, what do you do in English? Now, how do you answer this question? This is the pattern you'll need.
Аз съм.
Your occupation. I'm a, an, your occupation. For example, I'm an artist.
Аз съм художник. Аз съм художник.
Now, listen to some examples.
С какво се занимаваш? Аз съм учител. С какво се занимаваш? Аз съм лекар. С какво се занимаваш? Аз съм инженер.
Listen to the dialogue.
Как е майка ти? Тя е добре.
Once more with the English translation.
Как е майка ти?
How's your mother?
Тя е добре.
She's fine. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, how's your mother? That's.
Как е майка ти?
Listen to it again.
Как е майка ти? Как е майка ти?
Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
Тя е.
state of well-being. But it translates as she is state of well-being in English. For example, she's fine.
Тя е добре. Тя е добре.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Как е майка ти? Тя е много добре. Как е майка ти? Тя е що-годе добре. Как е майка ти? Тя е зле.
Listen to the dialogue.
Какъв е проблемът?
В офиса е горещо.
Once more with the English translation.
Какъв е проблемът?
What's the matter?
В офиса е горещо.
The office is hot. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what's the matter? That's.
Какъв е проблемът?
Listen to it again.
Какъв е проблемът? Какъв е проблемът?
This Bulgarian sentence literally translates into, what is the problem? But it means, what's the matter in English? Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
В офиса е.
Adjective. This Bulgarian sentence literally translates into in the office is adverb, but it means the office is adjective in English. For example, the office is hot.
В офиса е горещо. В офиса е горещо.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Какъв е проблемът?
В офиса е студено.
Какъв е проблемът?
В офиса е шумно.
Какъв е проблемът?
В офиса е мръсно.
Listen to the dialogue.
Как произнасяте това?
Това е парко място.
Once more with the English translation.
Как произнасяте това?
How do you say this?
Това е парко място.
It's parking lot. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, how do you say this? That's,
Как произнасяте това?
listen to it again.
Как произнасяте това? Как произнасяте това?
Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
Това е
word. It's word. For example, it's parking lot.
Това е парко място. Това е парко място.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Как произнасяте това?
Това е жираф.
Как произнасяте това?
Това е пътуване.
Как произнасяте това?
Това е нашествие.
Now, if you're wondering how to remember these words forever so that you can start speaking more and more, here's how. 1. Review them with our spaced repetition flashcards. Our flashcards will drill these words into your long-term memory. 2. Save the words to our word bank, your personal collection of words, where you can print out physical study sheets. And 3. Watch our looped vocabulary slideshows on repeat until you understand every word. You'll find these tools inside our learning program. Just click the link in the description to get them.
Listen to the dialogue.
Кое е любимото ти число? 7.
Once more with the English translation.
Кое е любимото ти число?
What's your favorite number?
7.
It's 7. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what's your favorite number? That's,
Кое е любимото ти число?
listen to it again.
Кое е любимото ти число? Кое е любимото ти число?
Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is number. In Bulgarian, we only say the number as the answer, but it means its number. For example, it's 7.
7. 7.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Кое е любимото ти число? 2. Кое е любимото ти число? 4. Кое е любимото ти число? 9.
Listen to the dialogue.
Какъв тип филми харесваш?
Харесвам филми на ужасите.
Once more with the English translation.
Какъв тип филми харесваш?
What kind of movies do you like?
Харесвам филми на ужасите.
I like horror movies. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what kind of movies do you like? That's,
Какъв тип филми харесваш?
listen to it again.
Какъв тип филми харесваш? Какъв тип филми харесваш?
This Bulgarian sentence literally translates as, what type of movies do you like? But it means, what kind of movies do you like? Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is,
Харесвам
type of movie. This Bulgarian sentence literally translates as, like type of movie. But it means, I like type of movie. For example, I like horror movies.
Харесвам филми на ужасите. Харесвам филми на ужасите.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Какъв тип филми харесваш? Харесвам комедия. Какъв тип филми харесваш? Харесвам фентази. Какъв тип филми харесваш? Харесвам романтични филми.
Listen to the dialogue.
Какво ще правиш за деня на съединението?
Планирам да ходя на плаж.
Once more with the English translation.
Какво ще правиш за деня на съединението?
What are you doing for Unification Day?
Планирам да ходя на плаж.
I'm planning to go to the beach. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what are you doing for Unification Day? That's,
Какво ще правиш за деня на съединението?
this day commemorates the day when Bulgaria's southeastern territories became part of the country in 1885. Listen to it again.
Какво ще правиш за деня на съединението? Какво ще правиш за деня на съединението?
Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is,
Планирам да.
plan. This Bulgarian sentence literally translates as planning to plan, but it means I'm planning to plan. For example, I'm planning to go to the beach.
Планирам да ходя на плаж. Планирам да ходя на плаж.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Какво ще правиш за деня на съединението?
Планирам да пътувам.
Какво ще правиш за деня на съединението?
Планирам да остана вкъщи.
Какво ще правиш за деня на съединението?
Планирам да ходя на кино.
Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
Здравейте! Бих искала да разговарям с отговорното лице.
Да, момент, моля.
Once more with the English translation.
Здравейте! Бих искала да разговарям с отговорното лице.
Hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
Да, момент, моля.
Okay, just a moment. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say hello on the phone. That's
Здравейте. Здравейте.
Then you'll need to learn how to say, I'd like to speak with person. The pattern is
Бих искала да разговарям с.
person. For example, hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
Здравейте. Бих искала да разговарям с отговорното лице. Здравейте. Бих искала да разговарям с отговорното лице.
Now, how do you answer this question?
Да, момент, моля.
Okay, just a moment. Listen to it again.
Да. Момент, моля. Да, момент, моля.
This Bulgarian sentence literally translates as, yes, a moment please, but it means, okay, just a moment. Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Бих искала да разговарям с търговски представител.
Да, момент, моля.
Бих искала да разговарям с менеджера.
Да, момент, моля.
Бих искала да разговарям с обслужване на клиенти.
Да, момент, моля.
Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the word bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.